coming in from inside the courtroom is a floor test should be within 7 to 14 days. That should be asked at the same amount of time. In Maharashtra, the Devendra Fadnavis has taken charge. Now, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta earlier handed over the original letters of the governor inviting BJP leader to form the government to the Supreme Court bench. Remember, in court too, on the three-judge bench is Justice Ramana, Justice Ashok Bhushan and Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Supreme Court has said past precedent says floor test should be ordered in 24 hours in most cases where such contentious situation has arisen. All right, so let's tell you, viewers, order has been reserved in the case. Now, breaking news coming in. It will be pronounced tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. The hearing concludes for now. The order has been reserved and shall be pronounced. All the sides have spoken. Will there be a floor test soon or will it be in 7 to 10 days? That has to be seen. For now, we know one thing. No floor test will be there today. Even though all the sides have agreed a floor test is imperative. The breaking news that's coming in after a hearing of 80 minutes, the Supreme Court of the country has reserved its order and said we shall pronounce it 10:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. The breaking news on whether there shall be a floor test. If there is a floor test, will it be within a span of less than 7 days or after 7 days, as Devendra Fadnavis government has said they want it to be? On the one side, we've seen Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Kapil Sibal say there should be a floor test quickly enough. The icing on the case is the 154 signed affidavits that had to be submitted in the Supreme Court by this combined Congress, Shiv Sena, NCP, but last minute they were withdrawn. What is the mystery behind these 154 signed affidavits has to be seen. Now, order will come out on the petition that has been filed in the top court by the Shiv Sena, Congress, INC, challenging the governor's action of appointing Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and letting them form the government. This petition had said that this action by the governor was arbitrary and they wanted it to be immediately shot down. Inside the courtroom, Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi has made several arguments ranging from the fact that why was this government suddenly taken and invited to form the government to a floor test should happen immediately. On the other side, Devendra Fadnavis has attacked the Shiv Sena and said friends turn foes here and a floor test is imperative, but time also needs to be given to us to ensure and show how the NCP government formed the government. So lots of political developments taking place in the legal courts of the country. I expect very soon now Congress leaders Randeep Surjewala and Prithviraj Chavan and others to walk out and make their statements. The action is soon going to shift to the parliament. The action is soon going to shift to the Vidhan Sabha. And also we're going to see how Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is conducting business today. But the breaking news from the Supreme Court, and all eyes are going to be on 10:30 a.m. tomorrow, roughly in 23 hours from now.